You okay?
And it's kind of scary, huh?
Yeah, that's scary.
Like that?
I know, and I'm sorry that happened. Are you okay?
No.
No. All done?
Yeah.
All done? Really?
Did you have a mask?
Tongue's not one.
Oh, you are licking in that. It's really cute.
Is he licking in it?
You can-
He has it. He has some in his nose.
Yes, he does.
He's making him all yucky.
Yes, he
And
is.
there's a yubba on his forehead.
Uh-huh.
You're shaking all over.
Oh.
You're getting your chin in it.
He's yucking in it.
Concentrate.
Is that good pudding?
And there's on his shit.
It's on his chin.
There's on.
He can just lick his chin off. Or maybe I can lick his chin off for him. Can I lick it?
No,
No.
Bud can do it.
Is that good stuff? Did you get it all? Not quite. Okay.
This Bud.
Just in case we might need something. He's getting that whole darn thing. He's gonna love these movies when he's old.
You all done? Oh, there's some in there. Oh, yeah, grab this spoon.
He's all dirty.
Mm-hmm.
How do you get dirty?
He's all pudding.
That one like that.
All done?
All done? Are you all done?
And